This is Bajan Macaroni Pie, a Caribbean family favorite. And here's everything you need to make it. Some macaroni, some shredded cheddar cheese, a can of evaporated milk, some ketchup and mustard, and some seasoning like nutmeg and paprika. And if you want to add a little extra flavor, I recommend adding a couple of eggs and some grated onion. First, you're going to want to cook your noodles until they're just tender. And when it's all set, go ahead and drain it and set it aside while you make your sauce. For the sauce, we're going to add our evaporated milk to the cheese, add in your ketchup and mustard, and your seasoning. For true Bajan flavor, I recommend adding some hot sauce as well. Go ahead and give it a good stir. And if you're going to go ahead and use the egg and onion, now's the time to beat that and add that into the mixture. Now give it all a good stir and add in your macaroni to combine all the flavors. Then add it to your baking dish and top it with more cheese because more cheese is always a good idea. Pop it into your oven for about 30 minutes, and when the top is golden and bubbly, it's ready to eat. And there it is, Bajan macaroni pie. It's creamy, cheesy, and full of Caribbean charm. It's perfect for family dinners or whenever you're craving a little taste of Barbados. Give it a try and let me know what you think.